갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말.
Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be doing a simple unboxing. I got some things from Amazon for my kids and I just decided to make a very short and simple unboxing, guys.
난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고.
As you all know that I do kids hairstyles, so every time or each time I'm doing one of my girls' hair, the other ones will be like, "Mommy, we want to do hair too," so they will be like, distracting me. So I just decided to buy this mannequin from Amazon so that when I'm doing the other one's hair, the other girls can be playing with this one so that they will not distract me. That's the main reason why I got this one, so that they'll be using it also to practice how to do hair and they'll let me be free.
하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy.
I like it because if you want to attach it, you can as well attach it to a table. If you want to, maybe for it to be tight, it came with some, I don't know how to call it, whether they are called screws or what, that you can attach. You can fasten it to a table and then you put the mannequin on it so that it will be stable for you to use. So this is it. I'm just opening the screws, or they call it screws or what, I don't know how they call it. So it came with it, so you can attach it to the table as well as you can use it without it.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy.
I also got some more satin bonnets for them so that they can always use and change. So these ones are 5 in number and I love the color and the way they are. I really love it. You can use it both sides, and also they are adjustable. If the child's head is too small, you can as well adjust it. I love them so much. And guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to like, thumbs up and share. Maybe somebody might need it, and I'll be glad to see you again in my next video. Bye.
첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만